Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is June 7th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see we are higher by $2.50, 2.5-point rise here. Right now, futures are sitting at 27.74 and 3/4 per contract. So all in all, futures are up a bit ahead of the opening bell. And we'll respect what we're seeing right now. Nothing great, nothing terrible. Remember, the markets have had quite a rally. They're a bit extended on the daily chart here. So we'll see if the markets can continue their march on, or do we pause or pull back a bit. That remains to be seen. But either way, we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to focus our attention this morning. Let's take a look at THO. That's the first stock on the radar today. This is THO Industries. Stock closed at $98.44. It is now trading at $94.20. So again, good little downtick there for THO after earnings. This is it's just like a recreational vehicle maker, RVs and things like that. So again, we'll see how that plays out. In sympathy, though, you want to look at Winnebago. That's WGO, and that stock is trading down a little bit as well, trading at 37.25. So both could come into play today. I don't have any levels on this yet, but we'll be looking at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at FIVE. This here is Five Below. Stock right now is trading at $94.99, closed at $81.28. So this is a big pop for Five Below. And when I look at this name, I have to think it's too extended here to own it. So if you do own it, trail your stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. This is just way too high on the chart, but a great move for Five Below. And if you're a Five Below shareholder, trail that stop loss immediately in this name. Let's take a look at AGN, which is Allergan. The stock right now getting a good pop this morning, closed at 155.38, now trading at 159.70. Looks like Carl Icahn is getting involved in a small way, and that is giving the stock a pop this morning. We'll see how it plays out. When I look at this name right off the bat, though, I think it does have a little bit more upside, maybe to 161, possibly 162. I don't think we go much higher than that at the moment. So we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss and let it try to run a little bit more. Next up, we want to take a look here at Comcast. Ticker symbol is CMCSA. Comcast, I believe, CMCSA. Comcast, I believe, getting a little bit of an upgrade by a firm here. Either way, the stock is trading at $32.52, closed at $32.27. So a little bit of uptick for Comcast this morning. We're not going to make too much out of it. Let's take a look at UNFI, which is United Natural Foods. This is trading at $43.65, closed at $46.18. Good little haircut here. If this gets down probably to around the $40 level, this will come into play. I'll work on a level. I see already some spots here, so I'll have a nice level for us in the intraday stock chat room. And again, yesterday's gap level on First Solar was a nice one as well. So again, we'll try to have something ready for you on UNFI this morning, and I'll post that up right in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at CLDR, and this is Cloudera. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting hit this morning, trading at $15.96. It closed at $17.18. I'm not seeing anything that I love or hate right now in this name. It's kind of a new issue. This stock has only been around since April of 2017, so we don't have a whole lot of data here. But if it got down to $13, I really do like it there. But until then, I'm not seeing a whole lot right now. We'll look at this one again once the opening bell rings, and we'll see what it gives us. Let's take a look at SJM, which is JM Smuckers. And this stock is getting really hit today. This closed at $106.52, now trading at $97.51 at the moment. So this is really a good haircut. There's still a lot of support around the 95 level, but I'll try to have a more refined number for you once the opening bell rings today in Schmuckers over here. This is definitely under pressure. Looks like China and the U.S. have struck a deal regarding ZTE, so that is going to help the optical technology stocks. So ACIA should be moving on that news, and it is. Also, you want to take a look at LITE. That is also moving up on that news. Finisar and FNSR, should be getting a pop, and it is. And then you have AAOI. Let's take a look at that one. That one is not really moving so much. Applied Optoelectronics. So again, we'll keep these on the radar today, but there has been a deal struck with ZTE regarding tariffs and everything else. So looks like they're going to replace a new board. And again, those stocks should benefit as they will be doing business with ZTE, which is a large telecom maker in China. Let's take a look at one more here, MTN. So this is Vail Resorts. This is just having a huge pop. I think it's a little bit overbought at this stage of the game. But if you own Vail Resorts, just trail your stop loss. Trend is up. Trend is up. But the stock has gotten a little bit parabolic here, so you want to be a little bit careful. I would not be a buyer up here or chase it up at these levels. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting a bid today, up $4.20. Right now it's trading at $13.0560. Take a look at the GLD this morning. You'll see that's trading at around 123.28. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. Then we have crude oil this morning, trading up by 57 cents to $65.30 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that's a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil, and that is trading at $13.21 at the moment. So there you have it. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another good day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. 2018 has been a stellar year and a blockbuster year to say the least. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.